Nowadays, everybody need a website. It can be a commercial, personal, or whatever it is. In this video, what we are going to do, we are going to create a free websites, exactly free, without any coding knowledge. You can create this website. So what you need? You need a one free domain, and you need one free host. So if you don't know what is free domain and free host, let me explain. Domain is the name of your websites, and host is some space over the internet. Cool. So example is like there have a Google address and exactly the Google address room. So address will be the domain name and the hosting will be the exactly room place. Cool. Hope you got it. Now we are going to create the websites for you. So we are in Google and we are searching 000webhost.com. After searching it, it will come in the top. Let's click it. Then we are going to here. Let me close it. Then we're going to sign in. You can sign in a different way. You can sign in via Facebook, Google, or you can create an account here. It will take few seconds to come. And after coming it, top right. Okay, let me close. There have a create websites. So you can put a one name. I am putting here software engineer test and I added one password. Let's create it. After creating it, it will take few seconds to come the next layer. So let's see what's okay. It's done. Now it's coming. Cool. So there have options called it website builder. So I'm clicking on here. It will go to some template options where you can choose what type of your website going to be. It will be personal, commercial, or any style, design, text. You can choose here. Also, you can edit from there. It's open now. The left side is showing what type of this, like e-commerce, educations. You can choose from here. So all templates you will get different type templates, like adventure it's showing, personal it's showing, some cycles is showing there. So you can choose whatever you want, how your website will be. Okay, there are a couple of other options also, like e-commerce website. So here in this website you can sell your some thing, whatever you have you can sell from there. And like so, let me click boost up style. Okay, so for my website I am going to choose this one. Click select. Okay, now I am selecting. So it's coming. It will help me to redesign it or adding something new, text, image, and lots of other things. Okay, so I'm going to changing the text, become a software engineer. Okay, so okay, then okay, I did forget to save it. Okay, now let's go to the next. So here I have some scholar something. You can change the places. Let me change the text of the middle. So what I can write, some suggestions. Cool. I can write about some YouTube. So tech support YouTuber. Okay, so I'm changing the text here simply. And suppose I want to change the color, so you will get some options from there, and I am putting here the colors. So let me move it. It's very easy, you can do it easily. So it's now like pink. Apply. Oh, fantastic, the color is coming. So let me go the previous one, and I want to change the text here, like become a software engineer. Okay, so these things will be my website view, front view, and I'm in the home page. How you get it? Like the home is like blue. Okay, and you can change other things also. So let me go to now about. Before go to about, you will get this option, and you have to save your previous page, like home page. Okay, now saving it. It will take few seconds again. So about phase now. Suppose I want to take this change. I am a software engineer. Okay, cool. Nothing else. So let me again save it. Okay, there are a couple of options you will get in the top, like there are YouTube options, image options, or lots of options, whatever you can add in your page. Cool. So now I'm going to save it. So there have like save options. Here you can save it. So it's saving. It will again take few seconds to save it. Okay, now it's done. Now I don't want to change anything, so I'm going to publish it now. So here are the saves, here are the publish. So let's whatever I have, I'm going to publish it. So publishing. Cool. It will take few seconds only to publish your website, whatever you have done. And cool. So already done with the publish. Okay, so let me go back and check. So already login page it is. So now my sites I've clicked, so it's showing like software engineer test, whatever I named there, my site name status is running. Cool. Now there have a click button, you can click on here to check your website how it's look like. You can check the URL like software engineer test 000 webhost f.com something. Okay, so this is my website is ready now. Cool. You can upgrade and something, so leave it for now. So your website is ready and running inside the browser. Cool. So you can create another website also, like you can add some new website here. So this is my website URL, and this is how it's look like. Pretty cool and very simple and easy. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share this with your friends, and if you're new in here, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the more video update. We will come with more interesting video. Thank you.